Okay, let's take a look at number 7 on section 1.6. On an international flight, a passenger may check 2 bags, each weighing 148 kilograms or 325.6 pounds, and one carry-on weighing 106 kilograms or 233.2 pounds. Express the weight P of the bag in pounds. In terms of W, its weight in kilos. Okay, so what we're going to do is try to make a table of values. We're given some information both for their weights, the bag's weights in pounds and kilograms. Okay, so we're going to just kind of highlight this information and then write it as ordered pairs. Okay, so for the first weight, and this is the weight in kilos, so I'll just put kg for kilograms, is 148, and its corresponding weight in pounds is 325.6. Okay, for the next bag, it's 106 kilograms, and in pounds, that is 233.2. We then want to compute the slope of the graph. Okay, so we know our slope formula. M is typically y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or change in y over change in x. This time it'll be change in P over change in W. Okay, so I'll start with the 233.2 minus 325.6 divided by 106 minus 148. And after calculating, we get 2.2. And so that's going to be the slope. Change in P over change in W, or the slope of the line, is 2.2. And what this represents, we have our P is in pounds, and our W is in kilograms. There's 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram. Okay, lastly, we're going to write an equation for this linear function for P in terms of W. Okay, so we can do this by hand, and we'll do that first, and recognizing that we have a point, we have 2 points on the line, and we just need to select one of them. So we're going to have the slope of 2.2 and use a point, 148, comma 325.6, to write this equation first in point slope form. Okay, so typically, it's y equals, but we're going to write it as P equals, and it'll be P1 plus M times W minus W1. Okay, and P1 is 325.6 plus 2.2 parentheses W minus 148. Okay, then we just need to distribute and simplify. Okay, so 325.6 plus 2.2W minus 325.6, which is just P equals 2.2W. Okay, well, I'll show you one other option, because if we know 2 points on a line, we can find the equation of the line also using linear regression. And so I'm going to enter under Stat and Edit. I'm going to enter my W's in L1 and the P's in L2. Okay, and then we go to Stat, over to Calculate, and Linear Regression, which is number 4. Okay, and just hit Enter until it calculates. Okay, we have A, which is the slope of the regression line. It's 2.2, which is what we found, and B is the y-intercept, which is 0.